Hi, this is a quick demonstration of how to use Gluu for onboarding. Now, if you're interested in Gluu, you're probably starting to notice that just having a written process or guide doesn't mean it's followed every time. Some of your new colleagues may not have the tools they need on the first day. Others don't get the mandatory training they're supposed to. It's really hard to get tasks done right every time, and it's especially hard when these tasks have to be done across different departments. You need some kind of a system to stay on top of this, and that's what Gluu is. It's one organized place with the tools you need to ensure full compliance with your onboarding process every time. Now let me show you how it works. The process map gives everyone an overview of responsibilities across different roles and functions. This lets you manage your process across HR, IT, and the hiring manager. Your HR team can see the status of every task for every new colleague that's in the process. They can even see which roles that are falling behind. People with the right roles can see work instructions, even by video, and they can then execute tasks. Tasks can have forms, so you can actually capture very detailed data and confirm everything is done right. Team members can add their questions and ideas as they pop up in the work situation. And questions can be answered by the right HR manager immediately. All comments are automatically shared with the right group of people. All registrations are very easy to report. So this is much easier than having to follow up manually all the time. And everything is logged for later retrieval, so you can prove something was handed out or something was signed or something was done at the right time. The onboarding process itself is just one process of many. You can have a different process owner and the roles across to cover your entire business. And this means that you can go much further in helping new colleagues to understand how you work. Last thing I want to show you is that even if your account has hundreds of processes eventually, the new colleagues that log in will only see the things that are relevant to them. The roles they have, the processes they work with, the job descriptions, and the comments that are relevant to them. Gluu organizes everything related to onboarding in one place, so you can stay on top of it and new people can get up to speed faster and with everything done right each time.